In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace. If you've run into a seller who isn't following the rules, is being dishonest, or you simply feel something isn't right, reporting them is quick and easy. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your device and tap on the Marketplace icon, which looks like a little shop. Once you're in Marketplace, go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, select the option for Messages. This will bring up all of your Marketplace conversations. Now, choose the conversation with the seller you'd like to report and open it. Once you're inside the chat, tap on the three dots or the More Options menu. From here, you'll see an option that says Report Seller. Go ahead and tap on it. Facebook will then ask you to choose a reason for your report, such as fraud, misrepresentation, or another issue. Select the option that best describes the problem, and then tap Submit to confirm. Once you've done this, your report will be sent to Facebook for review. If you don't want the seller to contact you again, you can also block them right from the same menu. That way, they won't be able to message you or see your Marketplace activity anymore. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can report a seller on Facebook Marketplace and help keep the platform safe for everyone.